So the next thing I'm wondering is if we move from the board to the computer, or if we should do it on the board. But I'm kind of interested in seeing, like, you know, if we wanted to store more information, like maybe we wanted to store which actor was in the movie, what would be the best way to do that? Because you don't want to have data redundancy. You want to enter data only once into your database. Let me say that again. It's important. You only want to enter data once. Because if, like, you know, I entered Todd McLeod here, and then Todd McLeod, the data was stored somewhere else, and then Todd changes his address, I got to change it here, and I got to also remember to change it there. No. Todd McLeod's data should be stored in one place, and if it ever changes, we only have to change it in one place. So if we're going to store actor information, like, you know, Tom Cruise is in Mission Impossible, are we just going to write Tom Cruise here? And then, like, how many times are we going to be storing Tom Cruise? Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise. And then Tom Cruise goes through like a Prince moment, and he's no longer going to be Tom Cruise. He's going to be the artist formerly known as Tom Cruise. And then we have to go through and change it all to be in legal compliance every time we enter Tom. No, we don't want to. We only want to enter data once. So on your piece of paper, how would you store? How would you associate, relate? How would you relate to each movie entry which actors were in? Is that me? Which actors were in which movies? So figure that one out on your piece of paper. Go.